Sige, hinga ka muna dyan. Pwede ba kayo mag-showdown? Total, pareho kayo nagsisplit dyan. Ay, wait, excuse me. Wait lang. May tubig ba kayo dyan?
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top
Ay,
down, AC
aray!
with the coolest system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly couch. He a motherfucking drip drip, tell her all the drip drip. When he make a drip drip, kiss him on a lip lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye.
Grabe kayo!
Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm acting dudes up. Back coops up and drop the youth up.
Aba, ayan na.
Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you hear that? Boom, 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 boom. He got that super bass. Boom, 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 boom. He has that super bass.
Okay.
Pa-share, pa-like.
Sa paghahanap ni Visayas mentor Jolina Magdangal ng kanyang mga pambato,
Andyan ka na!
Ikaw, umalis muna ako. Alis ka din.
Hindi!
umapaw ang emosyon
Umaarte ka lang dyan. Hindi mo ako umaarte.
at nagkagulatan.
Gusto ko short hair ka.
Lahat ng yan mamaya sa Inside Protege, ang tunay na drama ng buhay artista pagkatapos ng One True Love.
Bakit parang tumalsik yung mga daliri nyo dyan?